Hello, and welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into another industry-specific software called Realtime Landscape Architect. Similar to Dynascape and AutoCAD, Realtime Landscape Architect offers essential tools like one-to-one scaling, layers, and the ability to import background templates. Importing a background image is just like the other design softwares. Just bring it in, then use the scale tool to adjust to one-to-one. This ensures that you're working with real-world dimensions from the start, which makes drawing accurate to scale much easier. Once your image is scaled, you can assign it to the proper layer. Layers must be manually added in real time, but they're helpful to keep things organized. You can lock layers to prevent accidental selection or toggle them on and off as needed. Perfect for when you're working on the finer details without the clutter. All of this is done in plan view, which is where most of the basic design work happens. In real time, there are three main workspaces: plan, perspective, and walkthrough. The plan view is a top-down 2D view, ideal for the initial layout and drawing regions on the design. It's also where the final plant list and viewpoint markers are placed. This is essential to the blueprint of your design, which can be printed once the size and scale are finalized. Much like Dynascape, you draw a boundary box in the plan view to indicate where the area will be printed. The perspective view is where the real time sets itself apart. This is a 3D view which helps you understand the height and scale of objects in the design, particularly when it comes to planting side spaces. While both the plan and perspective views offer the same functionality, certain tasks are easier in one view or another. For example, placing a single plant is easier in perspective view, while arranging a row of plants is more efficient in plan view. Then there's the walkthrough view, which takes things to another level. This 3D cinematic feature allows you to walk through the design in real time. You can change the time of day to see the landscape under various lighting conditions, ideal for showcasing how the space will look at different times of the day. Walkthroughs also activate landscape lighting automatically at night and even simulate fire in fire pits. There are two types of walkthroughs: a free roam mode, where you can explore the design freely, and a camera path mode, where you place a fixed camera points to create a guided tour of the space. Now let's talk about Realtime's library of objects. The software includes a very large selection of design items. If that's not enough, you can also import models from SketchUp's 3D warehouse, which offers a huge selection of additional objects. Realtime also allows you to modify each property, like color and size, to make everything look as realistic as possible and fit into the design aesthetic that you are going for. The library includes everything from outdoor furniture and cars to more suitable details like trash cans and placemats. These little touches can help to give your design scale, purpose, and style. These amenities are also called accessories in real time, unlike when they're called blocks in AutoCAD. Realtime's object-specific tools are another standout feature. These tools are built for specific design tasks. For example, the region tool is great for creating areas for lawn and mulch beds. The tool conforms to the terrain, ensuring the layout fits naturally with the landscape. For hardscaping, the patio tool is used to design spaces like patios or walkways. Unlike the region tool, the patio tool doesn't conform to the terrain, making it ideal for flat surfaces and allows you to toggle borders on and off. You can also have tools for designing retaining walls, fences, and decks. The retaining wall tool lets you create straight or curved walls and even automatically adds a cap with the adjustable overhang. The deck tool lets you quickly draw a deck and adjust its height, railing styles, and more. When designing houses, the house tool is especially useful. It's modular, allowing you to piece together different house sections, making the process faster and more flexible. These tools speed up the design process, making Realtime a highly efficient platform for landscape designers. Realtime also excels with its plant tools. There are three types of plant tools: the singular plant tool, perfect for placing individual plants or trees; plant fill tool, ideal for ground covers and perennial beds; plant row tool, which allows you to place a row of plants in a set space with customizable spacing and quantity. A great feature in real time is the automatic plant list. As you add plants to your design, the software generates a list that shows the names and quantities of the plants used, making the plant management much easier. Viewpoints are a real-time screenshot feature. You can save a specific camera angle from the walkthrough view, and then later load that viewpoint to take screenshots. The environmental settings can also be adjusted within the viewport, making it easier to capture the design in different lighting conditions. These viewports can be imported into the plan view to highlight particular areas or showcase different angles of the design. When comparing Realtime and AutoCAD and Dynascape, Realtime offers a more landscape-specific design experience. While AutoCAD provides more general design tools, Realtime is built with the needs of a landscape professionals in mind. Realtime offers more specialized features like the vast object library, 3D capabilities, and the house tool that are specific for landscape design. On a basic 2D level, all three programs are pretty similar, but Realtime stands out with its 3D features, which give a much clearer sense of space and scale. Additionally, Realtime's ability to import models from SketchUp and its extensive library of objects and plans puts it ahead of AutoCAD and Dynascape in terms of versatility and ease of use. In all, I feel that like Realtime Landscape Architect is a great software to use in the landscape design field. I feel like it definitely works as a great application in residential landscape design, but it could be challenging on an industrial level. Either way, thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you a solid overview of what Real-Time Landscape Architect has to offer. Thank you for watching my video, and check back in for more content. Goodbye.